This is Eric Muathe, Muathe.com for January 1st, 2020. Let's take a look at the top performing stocks in the US market, and here they are. So a snapshot according to bar chart. These are the top performing stocks for 2019. So here they are. Now let me give you some interesting statistics. I was looking at this now that the year is closed for 2019, and here are some interesting statistics. Oh, and I should point out, all of this is based on the ultimate Muathe Breakout, my own researched method for finding momentum stocks. And what we see here is that my service was able to find the top performing stock for 2019 for paid subscribers. I was also able to find the second top performing stock for 2019 for paid subscribers. In fact, here is the rundown. For 2019, my service was able to identify 4 of the top 5 stocks, and here they are: 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 of the top 5, also 7 of the top 10 stocks were profiled in 2019 for paid subscribers, and also 14 of the top 18 stocks in the US were profiled for paid Muathe.com subscribers. And so we can have the list of stocks. Here they are. Now what we can do, let's take a look at the top 2 stocks that had the biggest percentage move in 2019. Now, of course, let's not forget, for 2019, S&P 500 had a fantastic year, up about 30%, which is a huge return for a general market. Hence, some of these stock moves are really substantially to the upside. This is not a typical year, let me say that. Very strong bull market is going to give very strong stocks. So here is number 1 and number 2. Number 1 is AXSM for 2019. This is a dream stock right here. And we can see here that this was a premium alert for paid Muathe.com subscribers on November 11th, 2019 at 25:06. So somewhere right here is where that breakout alert was sent for paid Muathe.com subscribers, based again on the ultimate Muathe Breakout right here. So I can say that timing was perfect on that one. Let's take a look at the second top performing stock in 2019. Again, another dream stock. And we can see here, I sent out a premium alert for paid Muathe.com subscribers on October 11th when the stock was trading at 17.40. Let's take a look at that chart. And we can see that this is around this time period here when I sent out that breakout alert, before this explosive move over the last couple of months. So it makes sense for us to be able to master the timing based on my method, which I call the ultimate Muathe Breakout. Of course, the year 2020 is unknown in terms of how the market is going to respond, but we are going to be continuing the search for the top next major movers in the stock market. Eric Muathe, Muathe.com. As always, good luck, peace, and blessings.